Are you ready to get your spring cleaning game on? Here's how to prep coming up. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers, or anyone for that matter, will find irresistible. Well, spring is in the air, and that means it's time to deep clean your home. I know, cleaning. But I've got some tips to make this a simple, effective process so you have a sparkling, clean, safe space to call home. But first, you need a plan. I recommend grabbing our Make It Home Home Planner to keep track of your cleaning tasks and schedule. Now, before we get into scheduling, we need to get into the mindset. So, I want you to focus on the feeling you're going to experience once the process of getting your home cleaned is done. I also recommend scheduling a start date to clean. Mark it on the calendar. Conquer the tasks, then schedule something fun to reward yourself, like getting a manicure, date night, or movie night. Another idea to get you in the mood is to build a cleaning playlist and have some aromatherapy candles on hand, so when the big day comes to clean, you can engage your other senses. Next, make a list of all things you want to tackle. Not sure what should be on your list? Turn to our spring checklist page inside the planner. Ask yourself, what areas in your home need the most attention right now, and what areas in your home do you usually skip during your normal cleaning routine? These are the places where you're going to want to start. Whether you decide to clean one room at a time, one floor at a time, or the whole house, again, mark it on the calendar to hold yourself accountable. With the plan in place, now it's time to tackle your inventory and purchase any supplies needed, like paper towels, rags, cleaners, and trash bags. Make sure your tools, like the vacuum and mop, is in working order. Leading up to the big cleaning day, start decluttering your home. Put away clothes, clean out the fridge, and deal with paperwork. It's easier to clean each space if the clutter is at bay. One other cleaning tip I wanted to mention here is that when you do start cleaning on your cleaning day, work from the top of the room to the bottom. This way you avoid cleaning surfaces twice. Want more home cleaning tips? Make sure you check out this video next and visit us at ToriToth.com. Until next time, happy cleaning!